In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into the Walmart app or continue as a guest. First, open the Walmart app on your device. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection. A quick tip, keeping the app updated helps avoid glitches and makes the sign-in process smoother. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen where you'll see options to start shopping and an option to sign in. Right here, you can either sign in or continue as a guest. Continuing as a guest is handy if you just want to browse or quickly check prices, but signing in gives you access to your saved addresses, payment methods, and order history, which can save time at checkout. For this walkthrough, we'll go ahead and choose to sign in so you can see how that works. Tap on the sign in option. You'll be taken to a screen that asks for your phone number or your email. Choose the one you prefer. If you use your phone number, enter it carefully, including the correct area code. If you use your email, type it exactly as it appears on your account. Double check for typos, because even a small mistake can keep you from getting in. If your keyboard auto-capitalizes the first letter of your email, fix that before continuing. After you've entered your phone number or email, tap Continue. This tells the app to get your account ready and start the sign-in process. Depending on your account settings and region, the app may guide you through the next screen automatically. If the continue button is grayed out, that usually means something is missing or mistyped, so review the field and try again. Also, make sure you don't have extra spaces before or after your email or number. If the app takes a moment, be patient and avoid pressing continue multiple times. A brief pause is normal on slower connections. If nothing happens, try closing and reopening the app or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if the connection improves. That's it for the steps. Open the Walmart app, choose to sign in instead of continuing as a guest, enter your phone number or email, and tap Continue. From there, the app will handle the rest and guide you forward on screen. If you prefer not to sign in, remember you can always go back and continue as a guest to browse freely. You're now ready to get started quickly and confidently the next time you use the Walmart app.